Buongiorno ragazzi, benvenuti sul mio canale. Oggi facciamo insieme pasta all'olio. Andiamo! Pasta all'olio, very simple, very few ingredients, very easy to do. Olive oil, olio, peperoncino. These are nice Calabrian red chilies from southern Italy. Okay, very nice. I got them in Calabria. They're hot, they're tiny, packed with flavor. All right, a couple of those will be nice in there. Aglio, obviously garlic, okay? Parmigiano Reggiano, Parmesan cheese. Anchovies, I like to put a little bit of anchovies in there, bumps it up a little bit, okay? Pasta, spaghetti, and this is a juice for IPA for me. Andiamo, let's go, okay? So I got my water boiling here. I'm gonna put salt in it. Pasta's gonna go in, okay? Put the pasta in the back. I'm gonna start making my sauce right here in this pan, all right? So garlic. Peel your garlic. I would say for the amount of pasta I'm doing, 2 cloves of garlic is probably enough, but they're really small, so I'll do another little small one here. Boom. Today, I'm just gonna go slivers, nice and thin, okay? Chilies, peperoncino, olive oil. Healthy amount of olive oil. Your garlic and peperoncino in. Okay, don't go too hot, whatever you do, because then the garlic's gonna burn. You kind of want it to go low and slow. Okay, anchovy, put probably 2 in there. The anchovy, you're not necessarily gonna taste this raw fish fiasco. It's not gonna be like that. It's just gonna give you some like deeper, you know, more umami flavor in that pasta, which is really nice. Put the anchovy in like that. Take the back of a spoon, okay? And all you do is work that anchovy into the pan. Okay, it's gonna splash everywhere. It's probably gonna ruin your t-shirt, but that's fine. You're making pasta olio, enjoy yourself, okay? See that? Anchovies dissolved. The big thing that you want to keep an eye on is that garlic. Too hot, that garlic's gonna burn, okay? And it's not gonna be pleasant. Keep it low and slow. Make sure the chilies aren't burning, make sure the garlic isn't burning. As soon as it gets to the point where it's kind of looks like it's probably where it needs to be, and the pasta's not ready yet, it's fine, just shut it off, let it sit, let it infuse in there, all right? I'm gonna just turn it right down, okay? And have a look at my pasta. It's where it needs to be. I'm gonna put a little pasta water in there, all right? You're boiling the pasta in the pot. Always think about boiling it to about 50, more so 7, I would say about 75% of the way. 100% being al dente, 100% being where you want it, 75% in the water, and the rest of the way, 25% in the sauce that you're making, okay? So I cook this garlic and everything to the point it needs to be. I put some pasta water inside of it to stop the cooking. That's my sauce now, okay? I'm gonna then take the pasta out when it's where I want it to be, and I'm gonna cook the pasta in the sauce, and it's gonna absorb some of that, all right? Starch is gonna get in, it's gonna get creamy and delicious, okay? Pasta, pay close attention. This pasta still probably needs about 5 minutes of cooking. It's too al dente to eat. Okay, I got pasta water in my pan here with my garlic and anchovy and chili pepper and olive oil. Okay, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take this pasta and put it in. Voila, turn that up. Now that's gonna cook in there. Don't get rid of your water yet. You're probably gonna need a little more. I like doing it this way for a couple reasons. First reason, I hate overcooked pasta more than anything. And if you do it this way, you have more control of it, okay? You can add stock or water and sort of control the cooking a little bit more accurately. Second reason is all of that flavor, all of that sauce then goes into the pasta. Okay, it makes it a little bit more rich, a little bit more delicious. Pasta all'olio really just means pasta with garlic and oil, all right? Traditionally, it has peperoncino inside, chili pepper. I also put anchovy. You see it coming together, getting creamy. The starch from the pasta is sort of going into the broth, making it a little bit more creamy. Black pepper. You see it start to come together. It's creamy. It's actually emulsified. Grate a little bit of Parmesan cheese inside. Once it's off the heat, take it off the heat, put some Parmesan. A little bit more olive oil. And bring it together. Just like that. Mixy, mixy. It's al dente, it's beautiful, it's emulsified, it's not overcooked. Pasta all'olio. A little more cheese on top. If you wish, a little more olive oil. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and if you like the video, come back for more.